How to add numbers in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can add numbers in Excel. This tutorial is for absolute beginners, and if you have basic knowledge, you should skip it. Okay, let's get started. Now here in column A we have price, and in column B we have VAT, and in column C I want to add price and VAT and display the total cost. Okay, there are several ways in Excel to add numbers, and those are advanced ways, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you the absolute beginner thing, the easiest way of all, just plain and simple formula. I'm going to write here equal to in cell C2. Okay, by equal to, you are initiating formula in Excel. Okay, then I'm going to click on the cell where I have price, then I'm going to write plus because I want to add numbers, and then I'm going to select the other cell where I have VAT. Okay, so I want price plus VAT and display in column C. So in C2 I have written equal to, then selected the first cell, add the addition sign or the plus sign, and then select the second cell. If I press enter, this is our value. This is how you add numbers in Excel. Okay, now you can write manually all this cell, or here is a trick. If you hover your mouse at the bottom right corner of your cell where you have just written the formula, your cursor will change into this plus sign. If you double click here, this same formula is placed to all the cells. If you click here, you can see this cell plus this cell. So this is how you can add numbers in Excel, and this is how you can add numbers for a total column. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.